Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make brush tool bigger in Photoshop. Okay. First of all, create a new layer. Select the brush tool and select brush size style. Example, I select the brush style this. Okay. Then proceed. Sense color. Now see this and size. Right click mouse. Now see this brush size or use the bracket minus bracket 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 left for size small and bracket right then bigger or big. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.